Hey everybody, wanted to get on here real quick and touch base. Today is the day for the live Zoom workshop on the hands. The hands, wrists, forearms, and elbows, and then we're going to extend and advance the feet in regards to training options and training moves for that area of the body. Going to address everything: anatomy, physiology, neurology. We're going to tie emotions into it. We're going to link, talk a big section about falls, Tommy John surgery, tests you can do. We're going to go ahead and do those together to assess how your hands are in relation, how strong they are, how much they can endure in relation to the rest of your body. And then also, if you've taken my hanging Zoom or you've seen me post on hanging by your hands from an object, a bar or a ledge, I've said the minimum for general public would be 90 seconds. That's a good goal to shoot for. And then if you're a health practitioner of any kind in any capacity, 2 minutes should be a nice minimum test. The movements and the things we're going to go over today will help improve that, because you getting your hands stronger is going to help improve your ability to hang. It won't replace hanging, but it absolutely will help as an accessory to catalyze your ability to be able to hang from objects and improve your time there, so you can reap the benefits of hanging for longer periods of time, or under load, or with greater amounts of force, depending on how you're structuring your training. So we will tie that all in together. This Zoom, as I said, this workshop, you're going to leave with more training moves than any of the others, a lot more. There's going to be a bunch for the hands, a bunch for the feet. And so again, that 7-day replay will be nice, because you can go ahead and write all those down and experiment with those. Some are going to require pieces of equipment that you can grab around the house. And so again, for you to play with those and make those your own, not to do them exactly how I do them, because that doesn't work, but to make them your own, understanding why now. So just be forewarned, it's going to be more. All my Zooms have applicable action that we end up, kind of participating in together. But this one specifically is going to be a lot more doing and less talking. So I will be taking registrants up until we start at 2. So go ahead and email me if you're interested. info@TommyJohnIII.com. Again, taking this very seriously. This area of the body I take very seriously. It is something I tend to every single day, my hands and feet. Earlier this year, the energetic space and the healing responses I was going through, and a massive life change, and my response to massive life changes, and then my work in them, only allowed and afforded for training to be just hands and feet. So the things we're going to be doing in the Zoom were all I was able to do for about 2 to 3 months. To facilitate training, the essential of training, in with all the other changes that I was working on and will still currently be working on. So again, this is a very passionate topic. And it's very important, otherwise I wouldn't waste my time or yours. So I want those who are serious for change, and I'll see you guys later today at 2 p.m. Again, if you can't make it for time concerns or previously booked obligations, or you're just in another time zone, don't worry about it. As soon as the Zoom is over, all the emails I'll get, I send a live replay, and you guys have 7 days to go ahead and pull that thing apart, under a sense of urgency though, because 7 days does go like that, especially with the magnitude, not necessarily amount, but magnitude of what we're covering and why I'm covering it. So looking forward to seeing everybody there. Let me know if you guys have any questions. See you soon.